Hi everyone, today we're diving into a question that should be on every business owner's mind. Could AI with knowledge graph technology actually replace your CRM, ERP and finance applications? Let's break this down and separate the hype from reality. First, let's understand what we're talking about. Traditional CRM systems are like the backbone of modern business relationships. They track your contacts, deals and customer interactions. But now AI systems with knowledge graphs are promising to disrupt this space. A CRM system is just a tool for human agents. It's an interface to facts that are needed in relationship management. The AI agent doesn't need this layer, however, when it has a knowledge graph for each customer. A governance and reporting system is required though. So what exactly is a knowledge graph? Think of it as a super smart neural network or web that connects all of your business data and previous conversations with customers. It finds patterns and relationships that humans miss. It's like giving your CRM a brain that can think in multiple dimensions. Crucially though, it gives the agent long-term memory. This means that returning customers will appear to be known by the AI agent. With long-term memory and graph knowledge, the AI agent knows the user. And instead of providing generic responses and throwing the onus back to the user, it understands what the issue is and how to resolve it immediately because it has the current facts. Here's an image of an actual knowledge graph. You can see the various facts and pieces of information are connected. Okay, so let's look at where AI absolutely shines. First, data processing. While your traditional CRM system might struggle with thousands of interactions, an AI system can process millions of data points in seconds. It can spot patterns in customer behavior, predict future trends, and even suggest the perfect time to reach out to a prospect. The knowledge graph adds another layer of intelligence. Imagine instantly seeing how a new lead connects to existing customers, or automatically understanding the complete history of a complex business relationship. But here's where we need a reality check. AI isn't perfect at everything. Let's talk about three major challenges. Number one, data quality. AI systems are only as good as the data they've been fed. Garbage in, garbage out. They need consistent, clean data to function effectively. Number two, the human touch. While AI can process information incredibly fast, it can't replace the emotional intelligence needed in relationship building. That subtle understanding of when to push a deal and when to hold back. That's still very much a human skill. Number three, integration headaches. Implementing an AI system isn't as simple as flipping a switch. It needs to work with your existing tools, and your team needs to know how to use it effectively. So what's the answer? Based on our analysis, the future isn't about replacing CRM systems or financial applications. It's about creating superpowered hybrid systems. Imagine this. AI handles the heavy lifting of data processing and pattern recognition, while your team focuses on what they do best, building real relationships and making strategic decisions. Here's what this might look like in practice. AI automatically organizes and analyzes customer interactions. Knowledge graphs provide instant insights about relationship networks. Your sales team gets AI-powered suggestions, but maintains control over strategy. Customer service becomes more efficient with AI-assisted response suggestions. So what's the bottom line? AI and knowledge graphs aren't going to replace your CRM entirely, at least not anytime soon. Instead, they're going to make it incredibly more powerful. It's not about replacement, it's about enhancement. So what do you think? Are you ready to embrace AI in your CRM strategy? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on how AI is transforming businesses. Thanks very much for watching. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on the latest AI and business technology. See you in the next video.